You don't need pots. You don't need soil. In 2025, air plants are stealing the spotlight, and it's easy to see why. They grow with barely any effort, they look like art, and they make any space feel instantly alive. Today, we're talking about 10 of the most popular air plants you'll see everywhere this year. Tillandsia Ionantha. This one's small but fiery. When it blooms, the green turns bright red and shoots out a violet flower. It's compact, colourful, and loved by beginners. If you want an air plant that actually puts on a show, Ionantha delivers. Tillandsia, Xerographica. This one is the queen of air plants. Its soft, silvery leaves curl like ribbons, and it grows into a full, sculptural shape that looks amazing on shelves or as wall decor. In 2025, it's the most searched air plant online, for good reason. It's striking and very slow growing, which means it stays elegant for years. Tillandsia Caput Medusae. Yes, it's named after that Medusa. Its twisted, snake-like leaves give it a wild, magical look. It loves hanging out upside down, and it's a favourite among people who want something a little different on display. Tillandsia Bulbosa, sleek, shiny, and a little alien. Bulbosa has smooth green tentacles that grow in all directions. It's perfect for humid rooms like bathrooms, and it absorbs moisture straight from the air. This one adds serious personality to small spaces. Tillandsia Tectorum. You could call this one the fluffiest of them all. Its white, fuzzy covering isn't just for looks. It actually helps the plant survive in dry air. If you're somewhere with low humidity, this one's a winner. And yes, it really does look like a living snowflake. Tillandsia Stricta, one of the fastest growing air plants out there. It's soft, green, and grows in a neat rosette. But what makes it special is its bright pink bloom spike. Stricta is perfect if you're someone who likes a plant that does something and doesn't just sit there. Tillandsia Butzii thin, twisty leaves and a speckled base. It looks like a creature with personality. Butzii is playful and quirky. It's not the kind of plant you forget once you've seen it. Perfect for adding a little weirdness to your plant shelf. Tillandsia Ionantha. This one's delicate but tough. It has slender green leaves and blooms with purple and pink flowers. In 2025, it's one of the most gifted air plants, probably because it looks sweet and is super easy to grow. Tillandsia fuchsii vers gracilis. Say hello to the airy, feather-like one. It's light, fine-textured, and feels like a tiny puffball in your hand. This one's great for hanging displays where you want something that looks light and floating. Tillandsia andriana, bright green, compact, and has a soft, grassy texture. It's loved for its vibrant bloom and soft curves. Not very common, but it's gaining popularity this year for its unique shape and ease of care. So, which one's your favourite so far? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear which one you'd love to add to your collection,